Okay, y'all. Yeah, she's gotta go. I'm gonna show you how this went. She left, that left, moved her to the middle, moved the shirt to the middle. Changed the layer type, more movement. Um, oh, I can help you from here. Let's see. Oh no. Okay, move this here. Like it again. And I don't know if that'll make it. Let's do edit, free transform. You see how big this is? Okay. Um, I was saying make sure this doesn't overlap into here because it will not print on your design. There's no way for your printer to see anything outside of your canvas area. So keep that in mind. To make this smaller and more manageable, just like I did with the ladies, I'm going to convert it to a smart object. And that kind of just narrows it in. Watch this free transform. You see, it's more tight than what it was. Like it was a full page, but it's much tighter. Let's see if I can do it again because I'm not sure. Because how this was off the page, I'm not sure if that maybe didn't get counted. Okay. So yeah, it's as smart of an object as it can be at this point. So I'm going to bring it down here. I kind of want kind of want her to be the focal point, but I do want color. So I'm going to do shift, which is just another way while it's already highlighted to ensure that I have a free transform. I'm going to bring that up and bring it down. I'm going to bring this, it's my birthday, up and over like that. I'm actually going to make the lady bigger. I'm going to grab her in the Scorpio shirt. Again, you do that by hitting control. You see both of them are highlighted. Now you can come over to edit and free transform. And again, with this right here, it's going to be locked in proportion. So I don't want her the full distance. So right there. Perfect. Okay, it's my birthday. I'm going to make it 20 so you can really see my image. Yeah, this is pretty much the whole little screen right here. It's my birthday. Let's see if I like this black. Not really, because it's too much. Let's see. I'd have to change the bevel aspect of it. I'm gonna come in here and try to do that. Depth. And let's come where we can again see it in real time. Depth. Yeah, I do still like that. And let's go see what the inner shadow is about. Didn't change much. Let's go with size difference. I didn't see a difference with the size really. Click OK. I'm not mad at this. But I am going to bring the color overlay back because it pops out more. It's my birthday again at the bottom. Her drop shadow is enough under. Let's see. Let's change her drop shadow position to make it more of a, yeah, like a drop shadow like that. Just like how it shows its sliver. I'd say. Okay, I'm not mad at it. Yep. So I'm gonna It, yeah, I like her. Again, you can reposition this and totally do without it. You could also let here, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to show you like if it's a particular birthday. I'm going to put 47 because that's my mom's age this birthday, 72. Change your font. Oh, see, look at it, look at it, look at it. Boom. 47. Birthday here. And then I'm going to come in because I do like that font. Let's see what I can say with it. Hmm. Camera's back. So I'm going to be done. 1, 2, 3. And, oh, okay, okay. This design is ever changing. I'm going to make this edit free transform. Make it bigger. Where would I like this to go? Here. Make this cool. I'm going to turn this into like a gradient overlay. And I'm going to do like fire related colors. Hey, Lux. Start with black. Hit over a red. Red. Then I'm going to come with like orange, yellow. It's kind of showing you a preview of my gradient. Let's have less black. I have turn this one into like yellow and see how that looks. Okay, okay, look at there, y'all. Look, look, look. So I'm gonna take this away because this is turning into something totally different. Let's see if I need to. I will take this away. Is that how people are staying bougie? I know bougie is really like bourgeois, bourgeoisie. I like this little gradient. I probably should try to save it. Oh, here we go. I did here. Clicking back on it, coming here. Or not that one. Something more like this. I'm gonna say, let's see, 47 looks good. Come back here and change this. really was stingy on the syrup. So, this is how it was spelled a while ago on my cousin's shirt. She asked me to make. I'm going to change my gradient because I want to show more of this. Hey, what do you think I should make this say? It went from a Scorpio shirt to general. I don't know. No. Someone just asked for like or how I did putting it on the shirt. Okay. Thanks, babe. I'm gonna be done in a minute. So I'm gonna bring her to the front and when? 3? Okay. Be there way before 3. To the front. Oh yeah, that looks really good. This looks really good. Probably gonna print it. Okay. Transform. No, babe. I think I'm gonna make her a little smaller for each trans. Oh, see if I can make it longer. Okay, it makes sense. The gradient is here. Say it's a box space. So the more up I move it, I'll see it. It makes sense. Look at this. I'm learning in real time. The gradient at the top is gonna be okay. Look at me learning in real time with y'all. So I'm gonna bring her down here, I guess. Because I like, and I don't know why. Let's see. I'm gonna just do nothing on this. See if my gradient is still what I like it to be. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting excited. It's like this is me in my shirt, and I'm doing a shirt. My birthday is coming up, but nowhere near now. I'm gonna click on her. Let me get this up. I'm gonna wrap this up. I almost wrapped it up the last time, but um, really good. Let's make her a little wider. I'm pressing shift on my keyboard. Okay. I'm gonna put bad bougie and then age. Okay. Rethinking. If I can go back to when I changed her. You know what? No rethinking. Edit. Free transform. I'm sorry, y'all, because that's me. Make her here. Bad bougie. And put the age.